G'day, it's Aaron here again from Mayfair Plumbing. Today I'm here to talk to you about an annoying little drip that happens every time you turn a tap on and off. You're getting a little drip of water coming out from the actual spindle shaft itself. So you're turning it on, you're turning it off, and each time you're doing that, you're getting this annoying little run of water coming out. So it's quite an easy fix we do for most of our customers. And most people think, oh, gee, I just need some new tap washers and the problem's fixed. Well, it's not quite like that with this problem. It's not really the tap washers. It's actually another little part inside here. So what I've done is I've taken one apart already for you. So what you have here is you're going to have the tap spindle sitting in the wall or in the basin. And you take that apart, and what you're going to find, it is either going to be one or two O-ring seals on the actual spindle shaft itself. And what's going to happen is you'll see that they've worn out, they're probably dry, brittle, and they need replacing. And it's quite straightforward. We just pop them off with a knife or a flathead screwdriver and then put a couple of new ones on, lubricate it up with some silicone grease, put it back together, and away you go. And then you're going to see the finished product like this, but when you're turning it on and off, you're not going to have that same issue of the water leaking because the O-ring seals have been replaced. So it's quite a simple little job we do for most of our customers, and it fixes that annoying little drip every time you're turning the tap on and off. But hey, needs to be done. So if you like these handy little tips, be certain to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.